What is Sesbania grandiflora? Sesbania grandiflora, often called the hummingbird tree or Aglia, is a tropical plant known for its stunning, large white or pink flowers in fast growth. It belongs to the Fabaceae family and is native to Southeast Asia. The plant is not only admired for its beauty but also for its versatility and uses in various climates. See more 60 species in genus Sesbania at monsteraholic.com. How to grow Sesbania grandiflora from seed? Growing Sesbania grandiflora from seed is relatively straightforward. Here's how I've done it. Seed preparation: soak the seeds in water for 24 hours before planting. This helps soften the hard seed coat and promotes germination. Planting: choose a well-draining potting mix and plant the seeds about 1 inch deep. Space the seeds 2 to 3 inches apart. Location: place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. Sesbania grandiflora thrives in temperatures between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. Watering: keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the seeds regularly, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Germination: seeds typically germinate within 1 to 3 weeks. Once the seedlings are large enough to handle, you can transplant them into larger pots or directly into the garden. How to plant Sesbania grandiflora? Planting Sesbania grandiflora involves a few key steps. Site selection: choose a location with full sun to partial shade. The plant prefers well-drained soil but can tolerate various soil types. Soil preparation: enrich the soil with compost to improve fertility and drainage. Though it can handle less fertile soils, adding organic matter will boost growth. Planting: space plants 4 to 6 feet apart to allow for their spreading growth. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Place the plant in the hole, backfill with soil, and water thoroughly. Mulching: apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Can you grow Sesbania grandiflora in a pot? Yes, you can grow Sesbania grandiflora in a pot. I've found it to be quite adaptable to container life. Here's how to do it. Pot size: choose a large pot with good drainage holes. A pot with at least a 12-inch diameter works well. Soil: use a high-quality potting mix with good drainage properties. Care: regularly water the plant, ensuring the soil remains moist but not soggy. Fertilize every few months with a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. Repotting: as the plant grows, you may need to repot it into a larger container to accommodate its expanding root system. Can you grow Sesbania grandiflora in Georgia? In Georgia, growing Sesbania grandiflora can be challenging due to the plant's tropical nature. The climate in Georgia, especially in the colder months, may not be ideal for this plant. However, if you're in a warmer region of Georgia or can provide protection during winter, you might have success. Plant it in a sunny, sheltered spot and consider growing it in a pot that can be moved indoors during colder weather. Is Sesbania grandiflora safe for horses? Sesbania grandiflora is generally considered safe for horses. Unlike some plants that can be toxic, Sesbania grandiflora does not have known harmful effects on horses. However, it's always a good idea to monitor your animals and consult with a veterinarian if you have concerns about specific plants in their environment. How to care for Sesbania grandiflora? Caring for Sesbania grandiflora is relatively simple. Watering: ensure the plant receives regular watering. During dry spells, it's crucial to keep the soil moist. Fertilizing: feed with a balanced fertilizer every few months to promote vigorous growth and flowering. Pruning: prune the plant to maintain its shape and encourage branching. Remove any dead or damaged branches as needed. Pest control: keep an eye out for common pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat infestations with appropriate insecticides or natural remedies. How to propagate Sesbania grandiflora? Propagation of Sesbania grandiflora is typically done through seeds. However, it can also be propagated through cuttings. From seeds, follow the steps mentioned earlier for germinating seeds. From cuttings, take 4 to 6 inch cuttings from healthy plants. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant in a pot with a well-draining mix. Keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment until roots develop. What to plant with Sesbania grandiflora? Sesbania grandiflora pairs well with various plants. Companion plants: consider planting it alongside other tropical plants like bird of paradise or heliconia for a lush garden display. Ground cover: use low-growing ground covers like creeping thyme or sweet potato vine to complement the taller Sesbania grandiflora. By understanding the unique needs and characteristics of Sesbania grandiflora, you can successfully grow and enjoy this beautiful tropical plant. Whether you're growing it in a pot or your garden, it can bring a touch of exotic beauty to your space.